Every taxpayer is expected to make tax payments throughout the year. Those who pay too much throughout the year receive a refund when they file. And those who don't pay enough throughout the year are required to send the rest of their taxes due with their return. Taxpayers with employers have this done for them throughout their paycheck withholdings. Income earnings with no employer, such as independent contractors, must estimate the amount of taxes that will be responsible for when they file, and send in the payments accordingly. If a taxpayer is a U.S. citizen or lived in the U.S. for the duration of the year, owed no taxes for the previous year, and the previous tax year was a full 12 months, the IRS may not require regular estimated tax payments. Determining how much tax to pay during the year relies on a reasonable anticipation of annual earnings. The basis of this estimate is an examination of the previous year's earnings. Take a look at your previous income tax returns for this information. The IRS allows for changes to estimated tax payments, making it easier to avoid the penalty for underpayment when you file your return. If income is irregular over the 12-month time period, the IRS allows for unequal tax payments. Also, careful diligence when calculating estimated tax payments, as well as mindfulness of any changes made to the tax code, also helps the taxpayer avoid this costly penalty. The underpayment of estimated tax penalty is applied to taxpayers who owe at least $1,000 more than the total amount of estimated payments sent when the return is filed. If the taxpayer owes more than $1,000 but the balance is 10% or less of the total tax liability, the IRS may waive the penalty. In addition, the penalty may be waived if the estimated payments submitted were equal to or greater than the total tax liability of the previous year. Special rules apply for farmers and fishermen. Other exceptions to the penalty may be made for taxpayers who retire after age 62 or become disabled during the current or previous year, or another extraordinary event occurred that kept the taxes from being paid in a timely manner. The IRS accepts payments by phone and mail, as well as online using the electronic federal tax payment system. The online system is also appropriate for other federal tax payments. The due dates for estimated tax payments are as follows. For the time period of January 1st through March 31st, April 15th. For the time period of April 1st through May 31st, June 15th. For the time period of June 1st through August 31st, September 15th. And finally, for the time period of September 1st through December 31st, the due date is January 15th of the following year. Accurately calculating estimations and submitting payments by the deadlines are critical obligations for taxpayers. Consider hiring a tax professional to preserve your good standing with the IRS. Tax professionals work with the IRS every day and have their finger on the pulse of every change tax law and IRS procedure. With over 35 years of experience in tax payment estimation and other tax and accounting services, our credentialed staff has a unique capability to exceed our clients' expectations every day. Contact us today for a free, no-obligation consultation to see if our services are a good fit for your needs. Our staff is available at 800-518-8964 during standard business hours, as well as evening and weekends for your convenience. Or if you prefer, we're happy to reach out to you. Just enter your contact information in the blue box on the right side of this page.